Alright guys, so we're gonna do the rear bump stops, the uppers. Some people like pulling them off. I mean, you can, but oh, there you go. These yanked off. Sometimes, I mean, these are old, so sometimes they're a little stubborn. You gotta stick a screwdriver in there, but that came off pretty quick. Alright, we got both sides off. Show you guys here. They are a tad bit taller, not by much. For comparison, there you go. And these are hollow all the way through and pretty soft. You can put pressure on it with your hand and they squish. So these are a little softer, these are a little harder, but these will compress when the pad hits it, or the strike pad, and they will bulge out like a balloon. So we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of something around here, and down there we're gonna go ahead and raise the rear by here, and then we're gonna get like a 2x4 or some sort of something, that way it'll come down with the weight of the vehicle, and then it'll just pop back in. I'll show you guys. So this is what we're doing. Got a nice piece of 4x4 right there. We got a new bump stop up top. You guys can see the clearance. Let me go around this way. It's easier with the tires off, but you can do it without. Y'all can see right there. That's not a good spot for you guys. Give me a second. You guys can see right here. This is all the way up here, and then oh, it all fell apart. Anyways, that was up there. We're gonna go ahead and lift up the vehicle. Go ahead and stupid mosquitoes. I'm gonna lift the Jeep. We're gonna pop that in. Alright guys, I put a little bit of WD-40 on top because that's what I was able to find at the moment. Oh shit. Got it lifted up on this big old hydraulic jack. It's probably like for a press or something. Go ahead and set that in there like so. And now all we gotta do is lower the jack. Alright, let's go ahead and attempt number 1. Lower the jack. Stopped. Let's help it. I'm gonna go jump on it. Hopefully it pops into place. Damn it. Let me set you guys up on the tripod real quick because you get a better view that way. Alright guys, got you guys on the tripod under the truck, or under the Jeep I should say. Some people get mad when you call it a truck. That 4x4 wasn't enough, so I gotta add another 2x4 right there, and then we should be solid. Alright guys, we got the other piece of wood right there. Let's see if this works. It should work. Done it before. Should just legit pop down. think now. That did it there, boys. All that big rocking. One side down. One more to go. Alright guys, that's how it should look. Seated all around. That way when it hits that bump pad down there, we don't get the tire all up on the fenders anymore. Needs a little weight. Got it done. Rear bump stops are pretty easy to put in. That one's all the way in. That one's all the way in. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Little during the week, little midweek video here. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do these ever so often when I got little things like this and that I wouldn't usually record. But you know, sometimes they help people out. Not everything is self-explanatory as we would think. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a bunch. It costs you guys nothing. And hit that notification bell. That way you guys are always notified when a video is dropped. See you guys on the next one.